Today video topic is a collection in Java and video date is 2nd August. Collection in Java, it is a framework that provide an architecture to store and manipulate the group of object. Java collection can achieve all the operation that we perform on the data, such as searching, sorting, inserting, manipulation, and deletion. Java collection means a single unit of object that a collection framework provides many interfaces like a set interface, list, queue, and dequeue, and classes are array list, vector, linked list, priority queue, has set, link has set, tree set, etc. A collection in Java is a represent a single unit of object. A collection represent a single unit of a object. That means a group. What is a framework in Java? It provide a ready-made architecture. It represent a set of classes and interfaces. It is an optional. What is a collection framework? The collection framework represent a unified architecture for storing the manipulating a group of objects. It has interfaces and its implementations. I don't That is classes, and the second is algorithms. Second algorithms, okay. And the next is iterator interface. Means iterator interface provide the facility to iterating the element in the forward direction only. uh, Iterable interface is it means the iterable interface is the root interface for all the collection classes. The collection interface extend the iterable interface, and therefore all the subclasses of a collection interface also implement the iterable interface. Collection interface means the collection interface is the interface which is implemented by all the classes in the collection framework. It declare the method that every collection will have. In other words, we can say that the collection interface builds the foundation on which the collection framework depends. Some of the method of collections interface are a boolean add method, boolean add all method, void clear method, etc., which are implemented by all the subclasses of the collection interface. List interface is it is a child interface of the collection interface. It inhabits a list type data structure in which we can store the order collection of object. It can have a duplicate values. List interface is implemented by the classes arraylist, linked list, vector and stacked. The first one is the arraylist. Arraylist class implement the list interface. It is use a dynamic array to store the duplicate elements and different data types. The ArrayList class maintain the insertion order and non-synchronize. The elements stored in the ArrayList class can be randomly accessed. Consider and the next is a linked list. Linked list is implement the collection framework. It is use a doubly linked list internally to store the element. It can store the duplicate element. It maintain the insertion order, and it does not synchronize. uh, In linked list, the manipulation is fast because no shifting the required. And the next is a vector used to dynamic array to store the data element. It is similar to array list, however it isn't synchronized and contain many methods that are not part of collection framework. Stack is a subclass of vector. It implement the last in first out data structure. That means stack. The stack contain all the method of a vector class and also provide its method like a boolean push method and boolean pick method. Boolean push method object which is defined its properties. The next is a queue interface. Queue interface maintain the first in first out order. It can be defined as the order list that is used to hold the elements which are about to be processed. There are various classes and various classes like priority queue, DQ, and array DQ, which implements the uh, queue interface. Priority queue, it is the priority queue class implement the queue interface. It holds the element or object which are to be processed by their properties. Priority queue does not allow null value to be stored in a queue. Interface extend the queue interface. In a DQ, we can remove and all the element from the both the side. DQ stands for a double-ended queue, which enables us to perform the operation at the end, both the end. Okay. Set interface, it is a set interface in Java is represent in a java.util package. It extend the collection interface. It represent the unordered set of element which does not allows us to store the duplicate items. We can store at most one null value in set. Set is implemented by hash set, link hash set, and tree set. Hash set class implements set interface. It represents the collection that uses a hash table for a storage hashing in use to store the element in the hash set. It contains unique items. Link hash set class represent the linked list implementation of a set interface. It extend the hash set class and implement the set interface like a set hash set. It also contain a unique element. It maintain the insertion order and elements permits null elements, etc. Thank you so much.